Hello guys, so today guys again we have another vlog. For today's vlog guys, we have the Fuji GFX 100S. Yeah, it's a medium format camera. So today we will test and check this camera guys. And actually we have also a printer for Canon. So we will try to take some photos and we'll print direct to the printer. So let's try and check the quality of this Fuji GFX 100S medium format camera with the 102 megapixel guys. So the specs I will put here in the other side para makita natin, mabasa natin, di ba? So and we have a lot of already reviews. I saw already a lot of reviews regarding this camera. So today we're only test and try the camera guys and check in the computer regarding the sharpness and the quality of photo quality of this camera. So ano pupunta natin? Let's go. Okay, so testing natin ulit guys. Ayan, first shot natin, mode natin si Brian Puntanar at ang sa likod ng camera si Palaboy FW. Ito, first test for the camera with the lens 32 by 64mm f4 guys. So parang f2.8 sa full frame. Ayan, first shot. Yun, isa pa. Another test shot. Yan. And guys, so pakita ko lang sa inyo mamaya guys yung sample. I-zoom natin sa monitor natin ng PC. Salamat eh. Okay guys, so let's make more tests for the camera with the lens here outdoor guys. So ayan, it's a broad daylight, napakainit. It's around 11:30 AM here in quiet time. So ayan, dito tayo sa labas, malapit sa Symphony, sa labas ng Symphony. So let's take another shot guys. And yon, ang linaw guys, panalo. Isa pa ulit. 1, 2. Yon. So ayan guys, front like that. Your shoulder like this. Yes. Okay. Look at here. 1, 2, and one more. And okay. Thank you. Thank you, Trisha. Yeah. One more. Okay. Good. Brother, shoot. Good?
MashaAllah, good, Zain. Ada engineer.
Okay. Shukran. So again guys, let's check the low light quality of this camera. So it's a beast. So let's try the low light guys with the ISO of 4000 ISO. Yeah. So ano ba to? Okay. So let's take the first shot guys. Memory full. Right? Yo. Paano na kabay? Kena. Ay na lingkod. Tindog lang. Tindog. Sandig ba? Ano lang. Okay. Rolling. And again guys, so ayan, let's try to print one of the photos taken from the Fuji GFX 100S. From RAW we convert to JPEG and JPEG transfer from the mobile. So let's try to print guys to our new photo printer, which is the CANON Pro 300. Yan. We'll try to print in A4 size. So, ayan. Let's Smart Connect. Okay guys, so let's try to print this photo from GFX 50. Instead RAW, we convert to JPEG. And now we will try to print with the Canon Pro 300 with a glossy A4 paper. So, ayan. Finger crossed guys. Ma-print na to. Come up. Ayan. Kalimutan. Yan. Kaya pa, nakalimutan natin bukas yung cover. So, yan. Wait na lang natin guys in a few minutes. So, process na for printing A4. Ito sa Canon Pro 300 natin na printer. So, bagong-bago. Check natin ang quality guys. So, yan ang ating printing guys. Di ba? Direct from RAW, convert to JPEG, and eto siya. Ang picture quality ng GFX 100 guys. Napakalinaw. It's too sharp and yun. Napakaganda guys ng quality. Without editing. Just direct from camera RAW, convert to JPEG. Yan o. Ang linaw guys. Panalo. Anan. Yan na, kay basa pa na.
Wow, super sharp.
Hala. So, this is guys the sample photo that we have that we print from Canon and taken by the GFX 100S. Yan. So, ito yung ano niya guys, photo. Ang linaw. Suabe, ganda. Yan ba? Ba yan? Yan guys. So, ito ang ating photos from sample photo for the GFX 50. Ang linaw guys. So, ayan. Makikita nyo yung details talaga. Kahit na i-zoom natin ng 100% siguro to guys. Ayan guys. Let's try to zoom. 100%. Tingnan yung gaano ka sharp the image, yung image niya. So ayan guys, tingnan mo yung sa mata, 'di ba? Kahit na 100% ano na siya, zoom, naka-zoom na siya ng 100%. Ayan, napakalinaw niya pa rin. So ayan, makita niyo pa lang sa color ng eye niya. So wala tayong binago sa photo, we didn't edit for the photo, we just try to check the quality of the camera, which is the FUJIFILM GFX 100 with 102 megapixel. Kaya ayan guys, naka-zoom out. Let's try natin zoom out ulit. Fit to screen. Ayan siya guys, diba? Ang color niya, ang ganda ng colors niya. So ayan, wala akong masabi, wala kaming binago. We didn't change any color for this photo. So let's try to open another photo guys. For example, this indoor. Okay sir, so eto, check natin view, let's check to 100%. Okay, fit to screen. Ayan, medyo okay siya guys, nga lang medyo blurred yung pagkakaan natin, di siya na focus sa mata. Ayan, kaya blurred siya, pero okay pa rin guys. Maganda pa rin yung photo niya. Nagkamali na tayo ng ito kay ate, kay Trisha. Let's check the photo ni Trisha. Yan. Babasa pa. So, yan. Ang ganda guys. Diba? Yan. I-zoom natin 100%. So, makikita. Yung details talaga nandyan talaga guys. Ganda ng ganda ng quality ng GFX 100. Zoom out. Fit to screen. Yan guys. So, ayan. Ang linaw guys. Ang ganda ng quality talaga. Yung separation ng subject sa background, ang ganda ng pagkakaseparate kahit na f4 ang ating aperture guys. Ganyan kalupit ang medium format ng camera, di ba? Para ka nag full frame na 2.8 yung gamit mo sa f4. Parang ganun yung equivalent niya. So kung papansin niyo yung mga medium format na lenses natin. May mga ganong f4 talaga yung zoom. So, ang ganda guys, ang linis ng ano niya. Diba, wala tayong binago sa colors, wala tayong binago, same colors that we use. Itong kay Brian sa indoor, try natin tong indoor ni Brian. Itong sa coffee shop. Natin details guys. So, yan, di ba? Zoom natin, dito screen natin siya guys. Ayan, so medyo ang focus natin wala sa eyes. Dito, sa subs area na to. Ang focus natin, pero yung separation niya pa rin. Ganda ng pagkaka-background niya guys. Yeah. So, panalo guys. May sabi ko lang, check natin hindi sa Photoshop, kundi let's try na ipadlaki na itong ano, yung photos. Ito. Yan. Zoom natin. Tingnan natin yung photo guys. So, malaki ng file. Oh, di ba? Astig, ang ganda. Ganda ng ano niya guys. So, ayan, wala akong masabi sa details nito. Sigurado. Panalo siya guys. And flex time guys. So flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. At syempre, if you want to test the camera, if you want to try this FUJIFILM GFX 100S, you can visit us here guys in Symphony Showroom. We have a demo unit. So magdala lang kayo ng memory card. Just bring a memory card and you can test the camera if you are here in Kuwait guys. Again, if you are in Kuwait, you can test, you can come visit us here in Symphony Showroom and test the camera. Yun, magdala lang tayo ng memory card. Just bring your SD card. So at least you can review to your PC at back home. Yun. So again, and shoutout nga pala at maraming salamat sa ating cameraman. Nandito sa likod ng camera nga pala, si Brian Puntanar. At check nyo yung channel niya guys. Si Palaboy OFW. Check nyo rin yung channel guys. Kasama natin kanina na mag-shoot. At yun, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you at mabuhay.